Welcome friends, in this video of our SEO course, today we are going to practically learn about the first essential element and most important activity in on-page SEO because it's the very first thing. We start with for on-page SEO, we check it and then update it. And this activity is done for each page. We simply call it titles and meta descriptions. Basically, this meta title and the meta description is written separately for every single page according to particular page's content and what the page's topic is all about. So related to that specific topic, meta tag titles will be written with relevant keywords included. Keywords are optimized, content written accordingly. Now I'll show you on the screen and we will see where the meta tag titles are displayed for the users. And I'll show you how you can easily update them on your own website. Let's discuss their importance and go to the screen. For example, you are on my website now. And this website, marketingfundas.co.in, is temporarily created just to teach you all about SEO. Here on the home page, we will move the cursor up to the browser tab. Okay, then when I click right here, you can see there's no specific meta title added currently. So it is not added here in marketingfundas.co.in just as we saw earlier. Now I'll show you another example. Let's say I first went to Google. Now when you look over here, right here, you see I simply searched Google for best website designing company in Delhi like you probably often do. See some websites in top results. Look, the blue text on one result says website designing company in Delhi. It also says top 10 best website, okay? This continues like this and there is more text below. Here's the title. And below this there are two lines saying the most reliable provider for top 10 best website development services in India. Then company's name and other things are displayed. Some are writing that they are top ranked website designing companies in Delhi, Web Design Art Attack. This one says website designing company since 2009. Similarly, you can see another website which says leading website designing company in Delhi. Here see text like creating real value, website designing company in Delhi. Title and description appear in search results. The title tells you what the page is about, what the page covers. Now, suppose someone searches for best website designing company Delhi and you want your website which is relevant to that search to show up. And whenever someone searches for that keyword, you want your site to rank. For that, the specific page on your website that you want to rank for that keyword, which must be in your title. And the page's head should contain the meta tag title, okay? Okay, so look and notice that website designing company in Delhi is in almost every title shown here, right? Then you can add something more to the title, like your USP, etc. You can include that. In the description, you see website designing company in Delhi, top website designing service. Below that, website designing company Delhi. See keyword in description. So friends, this title and description are very important as they tell Google or other search engine what the page content is related to. Put the primary keyword near the start for better visibility. When it's given in the description with the relevant content, that creates strong relevancy. Then the user realizes, yes, this page is relevant to my search. Pages with relevant content appear and if relevancy is high, person clicks. So you must have clearly understood what a title and description are by now. Let's proceed. We will implement practically. So look, here is the website that is marketingfundas.co.in, created specifically for this SEO course. Here, as I showed you, my meta tag titles are not showing. I need to update these. If my website is on WordPress, then I went to WordPress. Okay, and right here I went to pages. So here in pages, you'll see all the pages from my website listed here. What will I do here now, friends? I'll select the home page here. I will click. Now when I click the home page, you can see my home page here. It has opened here. Now since my website has the Yoast SEO plugin installed, which is very great for SEO, therefore I will first open the page which is the page needing that specific meta tag title. Okay. Open this page here. This is the place for meta tag title. Yes, I will delete this title first. Now I have a title already written out. Remember, the title should ideally be 50 to 60 characters, maximum 70. Please do not exceed that guideline. Description should be between 140 and 170 characters. My advice is you should not exceed 160 characters. This is based on ethical guidelines, protocols, and best practices. Definitely follow these. Now look, when I copy the title here and go to the website's admin section, I will paste the title here. Okay, I have added the title. Now I will go down to the meta tag description field. And here, let's quickly copy the meta tag description once. So I have copied this as well, and we will now paste. This text we have just copied in meta tag description field. When we put it here, it will turn green. I haven't finished it yet. You should make it bigger and add nice unique things. Here mine is temporary. Add description. It has also started using AI here, so if you want to use AI, it will also generate some content for you. Okay, this step is complete. Here you see I've added the meta tag title and description. Now friends, here I will also need to update. I have to update, right? So I clicked update. Okay, here I have updated it. Now let's refresh the actual page to see the effect. Look at my title here. What's coming up is Best Digital. Move the cursor. Nothing was here, but now it's saying Best Digital. Marketing services get more leads and sales. And description will also be coming in the back end of my page. The title is visible here, but to properly see a website's meta tag title, how can I see it on the website? We will just go to site. Right click on the page and choose view page source. It's easy to do this on any website. There's no problem. So here, let us find where we actually put the meta tag title within the code. You can see this right here. Inside the title tag says Best Digital Marketing Service Get More Leads. It appeared correctly. Okay, and similarly our description will also be displayed here. Let me show you that as well. Look here. Done? Yes. Here's the description we added. It says Get Expert SEO PPC Social Media Marketing. The description I added is now showing. Right? So friends, this is quite simple to do. Okay? You can insert meta tag title to the page like this. And you can also make your website more SEO friendly by doing this. Okay, so now you know what a meta tag title is, how to write it, how to update it, and its SEO benefits. I hope you learned all these well today. Thank you.